morning guys, we are unboxing the Eureka microwave oven EMO 20 liters. So ayan, 20 liters siya. Nakuha lang natin siya sa raffle. Okay, we are now unboxing it. Wow, love it. Ang bigat. Okay, so ayan na siya. Charan! Oh, ang ganda, diba? Puting-puti. 20 liters. Yan yung likod. So that's Eureka. Where's the warranty card? Ayan. Sakit for this. Pang washing. Okay. Yan. So meron siyang dalawang knob. Low, medium heat, high, low, medium, high, and then this one ay timer. Okay, timer, and then the speed. Ay, the speed. Yan. Ang ganda. So, the branches, terms and condition, and then the branches. Yan. And then that's Eureka. Making your life comfortable. So this is the warranty card. Okay. And then this is the and then yung mga instruction how to do it, how to use it. So yun yung plate niya. Yan. Okay. Ang clean naman. Okay na siya. Let's use it. Yan. Wait. Okay, let's start using it. So, yan na guys. Try na natin. Dalawa na sila. May pang-bake na ako. May microwave pa. Should be off. And then, it was set to yan. So, initin natin. So, let's heat 3 pieces of chicken in a medium heat. Yan. Okay, let's set it. So, ayan guys. Initin na natin yung 3 pieces of drumstick natin. Chicken. Okay, let's try it. So, dito, meron tayong low, medium low, medium, medium high, and then high. Let's set it to ilang minutes? No, medium low. Para tipid sa kuryente. And then, 1 minute. Yeah, so that's 1 minute. Ooh la la. Yan na siya. Okay, so after nyan, that's Eureka. After nyan, ito naman. Next batch. The rice. Yan, baon ni Junakis. So, ayan, natry na natin 1 minute, medium low. Medyo mahina siya. Hindi uminit. So, ulitin natin. Gawin natin high. Medium high. Yan. So, ayan. Naka-medium high na siya. Tapos, 1 minute again. Yan. So, medium high, 1 minute. So, dalawang patong na siya. Rice and the chicken. Yan. So, yan. Kansuko niya. Ayun o, look at that. 1.10. So, 1,000 watts. Naka 1,000 watts siya. 1.10. Tapos, biglang magiging 1,000 watts. Ang lakas. Bagay, normal naman. Ganun naman talaga. Oh. Biglang bababa. Ayan. Biglang nag 102 watts na. 0.102. Hindi na tumunog na. Let's get inside. Ayan. So, ano na. Puntahan na natin. Charan! Ayan. Perfect. Guys. Yan, init na siya. Yan, it's hot. Hindi gaya kanina. Yan, hot ng ating rice. Moist na siya. Nag-moist. Okay na siya. Yan, ang ating baon.